Turn your hotel website into a search engine favorite. In just a few steps, let Schema Markup make your hotel's details stand out with richer search results and more visibility. Firstly, go to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins to add a new plugin. In the search keyword, type Schema Engine AI. Powered by Radius Theme. You must need to install this plugin. After completing installation, click on Active and get 5 steps for set up your wizard. First, go to the site info according to the general settings. But first, enable the review option to allow visitors to submit reviews and ratings on your site. So here, you can choose whether your site represents an organization, local business, or a person. Then choose the subcategory for adding hotel details for Schema Markup and then provide a suitable name for this. For example, Budget Hotel. And set an alternate name. For the business logo, you can select it from yourself according to your preference. After business logo, then price range. You must need to set the price range of the business. Provide the telephone number, and it is required for your organization and a local business. Next, the address. For your hotel business purpose, you need to provide the exact address or location for your customers. So provide a street address, then city, and the region or the state, as well as postal code and the country. Next is the geo coordinate. It uses latitude and longitude to pinpoint the exact location of a place on a website. Next is site info. You can write the details about your hotel business in this description box. One of the most important tasks is to set your opening and closing hours and days. Another important section is the Help Center, which allows clients to get quick solutions to their queries or problems. To provide faster assistance, add details such as your telephone number, contact type, available language, and the other relevant information. For any hotel business, one of the key aspects of providing excellent customer service is keeping guests informed about the hotel's check-in and check-out policies. Therefore, it is important to clearly specify the exact time when customers can check in and check out of the hotel. Next, offer catalog. You can list the services of your hotel business offers. And for the page settings, you will get 2 types of page, about and contact page. You can select a page on your site where you want to show the local business metadata. Once you're done, then click on Save Changes and then go to the social profiles. You can provide your social profile information to a Google Knowledge panel. For example, if you have Facebook, then you can add it here. And if you have another social profile, for example, Instagram, you can provide it too. Next, sub-organization, and this is for the pro version. Next is corporate contacts. Set the contact type. And provide the telephone number. Then the URL of your contact page. Then email address. Next is contact option, for example, toll free, and the area served, as well as available language. For the moving forward, click on Save Changes. Let's take a quick look at the site. Now what we are going to do is validate the Schema Markup. First, click on View Page Source to open the page source. Then, as shown on the screen, select and copy the required code from here. Next, open a new tab and search for Schema Validation Checker to access the testing tool. You will instantly see an interface like this. Paste the copied code here and then click on Run Test to see the results. And here are the results. As you can see, we have the business type, category, URL, name, alternate name, and many other details. Now let's also check it using Google Search Central's Rich Results test. Click on it and switch to the code section. Paste the copied code here. As you can see, 3 valid items have been detected, which are now eligible for Google search results. You can see all 3 items displayed on the screen. So this is how you can add your schema markup for a hotel website with Schema Engine AI. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.